So we're here in Clovis, California. We just finished up finally in this bathroom remodel. We've got a video from the first two previous installations we did. First thing we came out, we pulled this tub out for them, demoed it back. Second thing, we came back and roughed in the valve there. Third, we came back and set this tub, and now today we've got all the trim in. So over on this wall, this is all price fixture provided by the homeowner. We've got the volume control, and then we've got a diverter. So it's a sort of a three-way, more of a two-way. Kind of a hard stop down, and then up to the right is it'll either go to the hand sprayer or up to the shower head, and then like halfway in between it'll run them both. But so that was mounted. The screws that they sent were just little plastic wall anchors. So what we did, we mounted blocking in there, and you can see that in a previous video. We used some number 12 by 3-inch stainless steel screws, 2 of them in the bottom, 2 in the top, so that is not coming off. So this area we've tested out, looks great, everything's working fine. Tub was set and the trim was set, and we already have a video of that. We came back today, we left it full of water, so it kind of weighed down. It's got the full, and we showed you this, all the new concrete we've got down there, tons and tons of concrete, so that thing's never coming out of there. Don't try and take it out, it'll break. Today what we did is we came in and we caulked everything in, so everything's looking good. And over here, we finally were able to get in here and set the faucets, tiles. I got the tile in, so we've got these faucets are price fixture as well. Nice little installation there on both them. The mounting system, we weren't thrilled with, but they went in pretty easily with 2 people. We did give them new supply lines, hot and cold, stainless steel braided supplies. Did not do anything with the shutoff valves, but we gave them also a brand new tubular P-trap to tie in. So everything there, except for the, that's an existing cleanout, that's not ours. Everything's new that we installed that we weren't, except for these shutoff valves. Obviously, those aren't ours. So 2 sinks in here, same thing over here, hot and cold, and stainless steel supplies. You can see those. And then tubular P-trap, so that's all installed. We've tested these out. There is no leaks, no runs, no errors. Everything's looking good. Outside of that, this installation is done.